What's up, guys? Derek Johnson of the Freedom Factory here. Today I'm super excited for this training. This one is top notch. You guys want to implement this as soon as possible. So that being said, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any more videos like this. Smash that bell to get notified whenever I drop a new one. Today I'm going to show you how you can set up a flyer like this in your business, what it's going to do for you, how to automate the whole process, and where to get leads for your new text message VIP club. So hopefully you get some value out of this. That being said, let's jump right in. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comments. What's up, guys? Derek Johnson here. Today I'm going to show you something really cool. So on the screen right now you can see my phone. So if I scroll through, you can see this is my phone I'm actually using. What I'm going to do is show you how this new feature works inside of Chirply. Basically, you can see the QR code on the screen on the flyers that I'm printing out. I can actually take these in and demonstrate these in front of a business to show them how this works. I could actually customize this flyer if I wanted to for their business, give them their own QR code, and get them set up on the spot in the same exact way. So what I'm going to do right now is actually open up my camera. So you can see I'm looking at the table. When I pull it up to scan the QR code, you'll see what happens on my phone that's on the screen. So you can see it popped that message up, compose a message, and it pre-populated the message inside of my phone. So all I have to do is press send. Now once I press send, that's actually going to set off the automation inside of Chirply. So you can see here the first part of the automation has successfully fired off. The top message there is actually notifying me that someone has opted into this automation. So this would be what you would receive. You can set this up to show you what information you want. And basically, now you know someone has opted into your VIP text club, so to speak. The bottom one is what is actually going out to the people who opt in. In this case, I'm both people. That's why I got the top one as well as the bottom one. So you can see the first message goes out almost instantly. So this could be a percentage off at the register. You could do some pretty cool stuff to get them in your list, whatever works best for your business. Once they're in there, now that's an asset that you have of your best customers. So once that first message goes out, there's going to be a brief pause. I actually set it for 1 minute. And then a second text message will go out. And that will be the second step in the automation. After that one goes out, you'll be able to see a third text message or set those up however you would want them to drip out over time. So you could wait 2 weeks and send out an automated message and continue that process for as long as you would like. You can also send out one-time messages anytime you want to by just logging in and opening up your list. So we're going to actually show you the second part of this automation now. I'm going to log into Chirply here and show you how this works. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just search for my number up here at the top. And that's going to pull up my contact inside of Chirply. And then I'll just click and open that up. So you can see here, it's all the previous communication. I have a summary of all the text messages, calls, emails that have been sent. I have all the contact information for the lead. I can actually assign a sub-user here if I wanted to. I can leave notes, add to a list, add to a campaign, and schedule follow-up text message, calls, and emails. What I want to do is actually send out an IVR. So this is what's actually in the automation, but for demo purposes, I'm just going to show you how it works right now. So this is how you can individually schedule these as well. So I'm just going to hit call, and you'll see my phone ring here shortly. So now I can answer that.
Hey, what's up? It's Derek from Try Johnson. Just reaching out to you about Chirply. I know you're kind of interested in automating some of your inbound and outbound marketing. So if you want, you can press 1, and that'll connect us on a call, and I can answer any questions you might have. Otherwise, I do have a special today. If you want to press 2, I'm going to disconnect you and send you a link to our trial. And if you sign up today, I'm going to actually upgrade you to the next plan for free.
So I selected that second option there, and you can see I was instantly messaged that special link. So you can see two things here. The first one is the message that would be going to the person who selected 2. The bottom one is actually the message that I get. So that notifies me that someone requested that option from the outgoing IVR. Now this is all automated if you want it to be. So someone could come through a funnel, an opt-in page, or even your SMS autoresponder, and you can set this process up to work for you 100% hands-free. So you can see if I would click this link that came through the text message, it's actually going to open me up the link to a free trial. So it takes me right to the funnel. You can see here people can start their 7-day free trial at whatever price point they want to. And I said I would actually upgrade them. So if someone signed up for the starter plan, I would actually upgrade them to the silver plan, which actually isn't even listed on this page. If they took the gold plan, I'd upgrade them to platinum. If they sign up for platinum, they get the order bump for free. So, super powerful way to incentivize people to actually take you up on an offer right away. And we'll just go through this here to show you guys how this works. So, this is another thing that's set up with Chirply, which you'll see here once I opt into this funnel. So it's actually going to send me an automated text message as soon as I opt in as well. So let's open that up quick to show you. So as soon as I opted into the funnel, I get a message, hey, thanks for checking out Chirply. Do you have any questions for us? Text us back and let us know. Standard message, opt out info there. And I also tell them how many messages they might expect per month from me. So now you have a completely automated way to build your text message list. I'm just going to go through some data here for you guys real quick. on why that's so powerful. So you can see here, SMS marketing actually gets you 97% open rates, which is extremely high compared to email and other forms of marketing. So that's why it's powerful to build that list. Most people read their text messages within the first 3 minutes of receiving them. Now, this kind of goes through where you can get this info from, where you can build your list. So you have all the social media channels. You could put out your flyer that you create, or just tell people to text such and such number with whatever your keyword is. Mine's demo. Yours could be VIP, real estate, burger, beer, whatever it might be that your business does. Have them text that keyword in, and it'll set up these automations. You can also post them up at your physical location if you have one. Obviously, you could put it on your website and send out emails so people can enter your VIP text club. So once that's done, this is kind of the process of how the campaigns work. So you're going to have the first message send out immediately, and you can send follow-up messages automatically based on the spacing you would want to send those out. So campaigns are powerful because you set them up once and they just work for you over and over again. You can also do one-time offers. So you're building a list for a reason. Anytime that you want to generate revenue, you can go into your account and actually send a blast to your whole list with a special offer, or even send an automated call, which is more personal, where they can select from options like 1, 2, and 3 and get a special deal from you in that way. So if you're creative and you have a long-term vision of how to use this in your business, it can really be an inexpensive way to add a ton of value to your company. You can also, so this is kind of just demonstrating the different options you might do. So if you're a restaurant, you could have people press 1 to get 20% off their dine-in, or press 2 to place an order for pickup or carry out. So whatever it might be in your business, you could just replace these options to make them fit. Now, this was something I came up with. People could have had set up in advance of COVID-19 that would allow them to automate carry out or delivery service. So you just got to think of the direction the world is moving. People need something like this that they can actually rely on, that can be an asset to them, and that just works. Everybody's online, and everybody is checking messages. So hopefully that makes sense. I'm going to give you guys a flyer template you can use to actually set this up in your business. So if you're interested in this, go ahead and check out Chirply below. I'll drop a link for you. Start your free trial. Once you get that automated text message from me asking if you want some help, respond to that and say flyer. I'm going to know what that means. So I'll either have a keyword automation set up to send you a link to a free template you can use in your business, or if I haven't got that set up yet, I'll just reply back to you and we can go ahead and get that set up together. But hopefully that makes sense for you guys. Appreciate you, and I'll check you on the next training. Hopefully add some more value. If you got any value out of this, I'd appreciate you if you subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell if you want to be notified of future videos like this one. We'll see you on the next training.
So the marketing to me, I've known for years, in building systems and stuff like that. When I seen what you were doing, I was like, yeah, I'm gonna link with this guy because I can kind of trust his vision a little bit. And I can already tell that you're one of those people who's kind of like a jack of all trades, but you're unusually good at a lot of them. So I said, I got to get to know this guy real quick. I like what he's doing. That means I don't have to go do it, and this is awesome. So